with that vanilla latte, even when I say I don't need one. You know my thoughts before I speak, like you can read my mind for fun. You laugh before I finish stories, still hold my hand in parking lots. Some people wait a lifetime for this, somehow we found it against the odds. And every day with you still feels unreal to me. If anything were to happen to you, there'd be no someone new, no starting over, no moving on, no heart left wanting to. You are my once in a lifetime, the only heart that feels like home. And if I ever lost your love, I'd rather stay alone after you. There'd be no after you. We built a life from little moments, inside jokes and quiet nights, watching TV in the bedroom, your hand reaching for mine. And people say time heals a heartbreak, like love is something you replace. But loving you has changed me too much. There's no one else who'd fit your place, because forever still feels short, no matter how long I get to spend with you. If anything were to happen to you, there'd be no someone new, no starting over, no moving on, no holding strangers in these arms. They never feel the way you do. You are my once in a lifetime, the best part of all my days. And if I ever lost your love, nothing would ever feel the same after you. There'd be no after you. I'd still wake up each morning, still breathe, still carry on. But some hearts only open once, and mine already found where it belongs. So if the world took you from me, I'd still carry every memory, like a love song playing softly in every part of me. You are my once in a lifetime, and I mean every word I say. I have your love in this life, I already found mine. Forever anyway, after you, there'd be no after you. No love after you.